Hello, my name is Alana Murphy, and today I'm going to be presenting the Accessing and Investigating Data portion on page 212 of our SASViya handbook for my business analytics class. So first and foremost, we just need to get into our SASViya accounts on our browsers. And so once that is up and loaded, we will dive right in. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go to the Explore and Visualize tab. So here, and while that loads, let's find out what to do next. Sorry, my computer's been a little wonky. So then clicking all reports will navigate to this. Courses. 185. Basics. Demos marketing. And then just to make sure, 2.1, click on that. Alrighty. So now we just verify that we're editing the report. So the editing tab should be present in the top left corner. We should have our page tabs, a blank canvas, the left and right panes. So with that, our editing tab, left, right, canvas. Alrighty. And these are all of the options that'll be displayed on your left and right pane. And that should be present on anyone using this version of the SASViya interface. So check the general settings for our SASViya analytics. So in the upper right corner, we'll select our username and settings, go to general and scroll down to our default titles for new objects. So my username, settings, general, and where did I need to go next? Default titles. New objects. So we can find out more information about this object by clicking this cute little question mark. The automatic title option might not apply to some objects, such as a key value. So now we can close out of our settings window and view the data for our report. So close. There we go. All right. In the left pane, we'll click data and view the list of data items in our category group. So data. And so we can see here that we have a lot of category groups. And the thing that's pretty striking is you can see here there's 68,000 entries for this. So SASViya can hold almost 1 million rows or columns at any given time, which is really neat. So then we can look at things in the measure group. So these are categorized from category, measure, and our aggregated measures. So we can use a list table to view the imported table. So in the left pane, we'll be clicking objects, drag the list table object from the tables group to the canvas, and then we will click roles. So a list table. So we'll just make sure, drag it to the canvas. And then we'll assign data. So in the right pane, we'll click roles. columns add, and then select all except frequency and frequency percent. So all of these. Except these two. Oh. Sorry about that. Okay, okay. And then let's see. It's loading. So as I mentioned, there's a lot of values in all of these, and it can hold a lot of values, but we got to give it time to load any results. Meantime, so, you can see that looks the same. So some data items such as profit, age group, loyalty member, and days delivery are not in the table, but they'll be needed for our analysis. So the guide gives us a table showing the existing items that could be used to create new data items. So in the upper left corner next to page 1, we'll click the plus tab right here. So it gives us a whole brand new blank page, kind of like adding a new worksheet in an Excel workbook. And we will drag the, send this back. Objects, cross tab. Bring that there. And then we'll click roles. Oh, and we'll add order type and hit OK. And so here it'll show you our catalog sales, internet sales, retail sales, and the frequency of those different types of sales. So next we're going to click data and select these items in the measures group in this order specifically and drag them to the right or across tab. So data. Just so customer ID and quantity order. And quantity order. Let's undo that really quick. Okay. So we go here. Oh. One last time. Okay. So, mm, mm, there we go. All right, thank you guys for watching. That's all we got time for today.